Well, before I get into this, I just wanted to let you know that seconds after that last video came out, where I made the axe that had the weird, smooth divots in it, my friend Chirpy pointed out to me that he had noticed um, that in my mold, right in the same spots where each one of those little divots was, there was a little clump of parting dust. So, mystery solved. I was just kind of squirting it out of a bottle instead of using a proper bag to shake it onto the pattern. So I won't be doing that again. Anyway, so my son and I went and got a blacksmithing lesson. We went to Van's Blacksmithing again. And we took his pair of throwing axes course, which is a 6-hour course. Lots of fun. It's our first time forging anything, so really, yeah, it was good. We drove out there. Also, another friend of mine who I've known for years and years came out and took a class with us too. Yeah, Josh showed us how to take a 3/4 inch square mild steel bar and upset one end that would later become the blade, forge a a taper on the other end for a spike at the back, drill out and drift an eye for the handle, and then forge out the blade from the other end. It was pretty cool.
Sometimes in the winter when it's really cold, that smoke will lay down like fog across the anvil and actually drop to the floor and does some pretty crazy stuff.
Nice.
There's poetry in everything. Alright, now that you've had a couple of swings at it, I'm going to add a little bit of complication to your life, because life isn't complicated enough. If you find when you're trying to hammer it, it just keeps bending all the time, as opposed to upsetting, that's because you've got too much heat in the whole bar. And the same thing for you. Put the end of your bar. What's that? You're doing well. Throw it back in the heat. Just set you up with a pair of palms. That's good. That's looking good.
Yeah.
Step 2 real quick.
Stage 1, upsetting.
I would switch tongs to these guys here. Yeah. Yeah. If it heats up the whole bar, it's not the end of the world. It won't affect your hammering. But make sure that it's working. It's nice and hot. Good, man. Looking good. How's that? Is that fire? Turn this off. There you go. Now you can try to fry the grease. That's okay. You got lots of time, lots of heat.
Yeah. So I hold it like that?
Yep. Bring that hammer in on an angle. Got it. Nice. See it's starting to widen. You can tap it back a little bit, bring it back down. Make sure you keep your punches cool so that you keep trying to cool down quickly in the water. That'll keep.
Woo! It works. You go stand over there.
That's right. This is a city that has a lot of art going on.
Sure.
It's not just the sales either, you know, getting the right crowds is pretty big. Important.
The other drift there, right? Little flood drift will fit now.
Yeah, as soon as that other one will fit, you can give it a go.
Yeah. Still not, we still have a problem with it,
Going off the
it's not
side.
moving to the other side as fast as, I've done 2 heats with it dunking the thin side.
I'll give you a
It
hand
just
with
takes
it.
him a minute to get his hammer and it's already going off every time it gets going.
That's the hard part. When you got something like that where it's really aggressive, you got to get on it right away. But
Where's your stuff?
What's up?
Your drift?
Oh.
Yeah. It'd be ready to strike when the iron is hot. That's where that thing comes from, I think.
that's right.
Hear enough? Do it this way.
Hold that. There you go.
So I just.
Just hammer down on it.
Sorry.
Good. Over that.
Done?
Yep. Then hit it there. Hit the back of that. Go. Excellent. So see how that's heated up for you?
Yeah.
Let's get the other side now.
I got the eyes drifted out. Next step is going to be drawing out the blade, everything else.
Alternatively, you can also use
Also use
I'll show you after.
okay.
This guy here with a rounded face hammer.
Okay.
That's what those are for, is really
To spread in all directions, right?
So if I've got something like that, it's got that ability, it kind of pushes out from the
Spreads
center.
in all directions, right?
Yeah.
Right. So let me know.
Yeah, well, this one, yeah, it's really aggressive, but you can see how it puts that pressure
Yeah,
and
it's
pushes it.
everything outwards from the center of it.
That's right. That's where you really want a rounding handle.
Right.
Is in a situation like this. If you're finding that it's not moving.
You stole my tongs there, Josh.
Try these. What's that?
Stole my
Eat
tongs.
those? Just grab a hold of your real quick, just like hot potato.
All in your teeth.
That's right. You're good. Let's heat it up and finish it off with a big grill. Not bad, not bad.
Well, I didn't get much footage of the grinding, but here we are with our handles on and sharpened up. We've taken a few throws and now we're back home. Yeah, it was a great time, and they're pretty fun to throw. The handles are just an oak dowel, so it's real simple to make. For a 6-hour beginner course, I'd say it was definitely a good value. I learned a few basic things that I can build on now. So yeah, it was a great experience. So Josh, if you're watching, thanks again. We had a great time. These guys are, I'm not sure how well you can tell. They're my hand did fall off one of them, but that's my fault. Yeah, they're pretty small. They really are just for throwing. To kind of give you a sense of scale. So yeah, but they're lots of fun. I'll make sure and we'll get out there tomorrow and take a few throws at the log out in the backyard. Let's let you have a look, see how much fun it can be making pointy stuff to throw at things in your backyard.
Let's go. Josh. We have so many.
Dad, do you think this axe would work? This axe.
That's an axe.
Try
That's
it.
an axe. Where's the other one? This totally counts.
Yeah. That's all for now. Good times.